How to buy Telegram Premium on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to buy Telegram Premium on Android devices. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to launch Telegram application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now navigate to three-line icon at top left corner and from this left menu, select Settings option. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen and then you need to choose Telegram Premium option. Now here you need to subscribe for $35.99 per year. The price may vary by region. Then you can easily add a payment method, enter a card details here, and after that you need to confirm and complete the subscription process, and with that you can easily buy Telegram Premium on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.